Hi, my name is Justin Moore, and I am the Director of Meetings and Events at the Bowling Proprietors Association of America in Arlington, Texas. I've been in the exhibition and event industry for 10 plus years. When I started at BPAA as a National Exhibit Sales Manager in 2015, I became almost immediately involved in IAEE at the national level. I started attending webinars, utilizing SEER reports, and attending Expo. I even received my CEM designation in 2016. All of these membership benefits helped me grow personally and professionally. However, I felt like I needed to unlock more of the benefits of my IAEE membership, which led me to my local chapter. I started attending networking and educational events the IAEE DFW chapter were hosting. After sitting through a IAEE DFW town hall event, I wanted to become even more involved at the chapter level. So call me crazy, I volunteered to be on the board. This gave me a newfound respect for the amount of time and effort that these volunteers put in to produce the local chapter events. After being on the board for a few years, I was wanting to become even more involved and was nominated to be the chapter secretary. All of this has led me to grow even more professionally. At chapter events, I've made excellent connections with event and exhibition producers, vendors, and others. I now feel like I have a complete Rolodex so that given any situation or question that I might have, I know someone that can help me or put me in contact with someone that can help. Getting involved with local chapter was one of the best decisions that I've ever made. Whether it's attending an event, volunteering for a committee, or joining the board, I can't tell you how important it is to your success. Get involved locally.